2009 Nissan Murano. Bumper was replaced by somebody, backyard mechanic. They replaced the bumper with a aftermarket, which it didn't have original locations for the sensor placements, and it appears that they were drilled by eye. They're not located where they're supposed to be, and looks like they are not aligned properly either. This one is facing down, this one is facing down, this one is also facing down, so is this one. So when the customer backs up and the computer is engaging the electric parking brake automatically. So this is the right side sonar sensor, and one on the left side. I sent the mechanic to the dealer to see if they can get a bracket, because the sensor itself wasn't broken, just a bracket that holds it onto the car. And this piece actually was broken, so we're hoping that we can buy the plastic bracket only instead of buying the whole sensor. So